Hello everyone, I'm Rosalba and I'm a product manager working at Miro. Today I'm super excited to show you how our new prototyping features solve real problems I face every day. Let me show you how it works in action. Here is the first problem, iterating on an existing product. Watch this. I've taken a screenshot of the checkout page of my product, and with just one click, I can convert this into an editable mockup. There you go. Now you can change anything you want. All elements are editable. You can change the color of a button, for example. Or you can change the text and the copy here. And I can use this to discuss concepts with my team or with my stakeholders without worrying about the pixel-perfect design, but still creating mockups that look professional. Prototyping in Miro isn't just for small tweaks. I can take anything I have on the canvas and transform that into a prototype. I can take my product requirement document, or I can take the best feature ideas that came from the workshop with the team. I simply select it, ask AI to create a prototype with it. And this is what the AI generated, including the connector lines. And those allow to connect screens with each other, so that you can then preview your feature like if it was a real product. The best part is that everything stays connected on your Miro board. Your journey from sticky notes to wireframe to interactive prototypes happens in one place, where the full team can collaborate in real time. We help you getting into alignment faster, so that when it's time for high-fidelity design, everyone is already on the same page. Prototyping is now available on public beta, so you can start bringing your ideas to life already today. Thank you for watching.